As a designer, you need to be critical on how to improve your design quality. CustomTools allows you to reduce repetitive and complex tasks and manage data so that it can be reused across the entire organization, allowing you to work more intuitively, effectively, and accurately with the rest of your design team. So CustomTools is fully integrated into SolidWorks, and now we are going to have a look at the custom property pane. So the custom property pane is fully customizable for part, assembly, drawings, and weldments as well. So here I can select what action I want to do, for example, with this part. CustomTools offers a tool, for example, to manage, to generate automatic file names. So for example, here I can generate my own codes. Here I can generate my own sequences. I can also connect CustomTools, for example, to my ERP. So for example, from SolidWorks I am able to generate the next item code inside my ERP. Or if I want, I can also choose to link this SolidWorks document with a part in my ERP. So for example, here I'm searching those values from Navision, which is my ERP, and let's say that this is a break. So I can decide to link the item in my ERP with this SolidWorks document so that the information will be synchronized. Here I also have the possibility to use, so this will be the custom property used for file naming. It is marked as red, so this means that in order to save the document, the custom property needs to be defined. So here, for example, I will select a customer, and as you can see, I have the customer code which is automatically inserted. I can also have a description. So for example, you see I also have some automatic autofill available here. I can also retrieve the values from my lookup list, like from a SQL query or directly from my ERP. I can customize the date format and also retrieve some default values from SolidWorks. So I can also, for example, connect to this part here to a SolidWorks material. So I want it to be this PBT. I can also change the color here and quickly enter the dates. So here, for example, you see that the focus automatically moves to the next custom property. So one nice thing that I can also do with CustomTools is to combine custom properties together to create a new one. For example, this can be used for file naming. So here I select a plate, and here I have the custom property which is formatted. For example, if I would select a different one, then I have you see like different type of custom property. Then I can save, I can close this here. I can also use, for example, if I switch here to that assembly and I need to copy that particular assembly, I can use a custom copy. So this will allow me, for example, to copy all the items and all the drawings and also be able to rename the documents. So if I rename them, I can also generate some new codes based on the custom properties, the sequences that I have defined with CustomTools. I can also decide to use a custom print. So the custom print can be used, for example, to batch print or batch convert all the drawings made for the particular assembly. The batch printing is managed via profile. So the profile allows me to select particular sheets to print. For example, if I select the DXF, then all the sheets called DXF are selected. And I can also select multiple profiles at once. So one of the particularities of CustomTools is that I am able to associate a sheet format with a paper size, a printer, and an orientation. So your prints are always printed, like your drawings are always printed to the right settings as you have defined them. I also have a tool called the batch conversion tool. So this allows me, for example, to batch convert like all the drawings in multiple formats at once. I also have in the additional options, I can also decide to translate my drawings, for example, to translate them in English. So both the title box block will also be translated along with the custom properties retrieved from my dictionaries. And I can also convert the sheet format. So the sheet format action allows me, for example, to reload an existing sheet format. For example, if I have modified a picture or the logo picture or the title blocks, so I can reload it to some assembly, or I can batch convert like the sheet format. For example, if I use a specific sheet format for one customer and I want to use the same assembly for another one, then I can just like convert the drawings. So here we will have a look at the link to the ERP. So here I can produce like reports. So all of these reports are fully customizable. For example, I can export them to Excel, or I can decide like what kind of report I want to generate. Here would be my Excel report. But now I want to export this bill of material to my BOM. So we can see here that the item number is 1000 and the description is bicycle. So all those data will automatically be added into Navision. So now I export the file. And if I open Navision, so I will just go here on the manufacturing, and then I will open the production BOM, and here I can view that I have the items that I have exported with all the items here that I have defined. So this is fully customizable. You are able to retrieve like to connect to any column inside your ERP. And now we also have this tool called the where used. So this allows me to identify in which assembly a part is used. For example, I can view that this particular part is used in all those assembly and has 2 drawings. So this can be very useful if you need to make modification to one part, to check in what part the part has been used. Or I can view its drawing. So here, for example, if you want to make like 1 drawing per configuration. So here I want to open, for example, this drawing here. So now I'm opening the drawing, and I can show you, for example, how we can use custom tools to quickly insert custom properties. So I open the custom data. So here I just select a custom property here, and then I just need to click like enter. And you can see that in 2 clicks I can insert any of the custom property. Then we also have another tool called the custom notes. So the custom notes allows me to, each time I enter a note, the note is automatically stored into the database, and I can view notes made by other designers. For example, if I want to view the notes made by this designer here, I can view it as made this note, and I can select it, and then I can quickly insert also the notes in my drawing here. Thank you for listening, and for more information you can visit customtools.info.